Hello everyone, welcome to Web Solution. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report someone on Yubo. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open Yubo on your mobile device. If you want to report someone on Yubo, you can find a report icon at the top right of their profile. Tap on it. You can see two options, report and block. Select report. Select a reason on why you're reporting the user. Now you can add additional information and photos and videos to report the account. Once you're done, simply tap on report at the bottom of your screen. And that's it. This is how you report someone on Yubo. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.